If you're already paying for internet, why not get a mobile plan that actually saves you money? That's the promise here, but does it live up to it? This is a quick, no-fluff review of Xfinity Mobile and whether it's worth switching to or not. Xfinity Mobile offers two main types of plans: by the gig and unlimited. The pay per gig plan is great for light users. It lets you pay only for what you use, starting at 1 gigabyte. For heavier users or families, the unlimited plans are more predictable and still competitively priced, especially if you're already an internet customer. The kicker: prices stay low because you're required to have Xfinity Internet to qualify. If you're not already a customer, this could be a deal breaker. It runs on Verizon's network, which means strong coverage across most of the US. You also get access to millions of Wi-Fi hotspots, which can save mobile data. Speeds are generally solid, but there's a catch. Data may be deprioritized during network congestion, especially on the unlimited plan. If you're already in a busy area, you might feel it. Bring your own phone or buy one through them. Both options are supported. Most newer phones, especially unlocked models, work without issues. Device payments are available, but you want to read the fine print on contract terms if you go that route. Now, the pros are you get lower prices for existing internet customers, reliable Verizon coverage, flexible data options, no activation fees, and easy to manage everything in one place. And the cons, only available to Xfinity Internet users, and data can slow during peak times, fewer perks compared to big carriers, and international roaming is limited and pricey. If you're already in the Xfinity ecosystem and want to save on your phone bill without giving up solid coverage, this service is a strong contender. But if you're not tied to Xfinity or want premium perks and priority data, there might be better options out there. That's it. Quick, simple, and to the point. Let me know if you're already using it or thinking of switching. Hit that like if this helped and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.